Good morning, students. How are you? Today, our class is social science, and we will study socio-religious reforms. Workbook page number 11. Answer the questions given below. I am just reading the questions and as well as answer that you can write and understand easily. Question number 7. 1. Which evil customs were prevalent in our society before independence? Before independence, various evil customs were prevalent in our society, like the customs of Dutpiti, Sati system, denial of widow remarriage, polygamy, dowry system, and selling of girl child, etc. in our society. Number 2, who established the Arya Samaj? In which states were its branches established? Which activities were carried out by the Arya Samaj for the upliftment of society? Dayanand Saraswati established Arya Samaj in the year 1875 CE, the branches of which were established in Lahore, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Arya Samaj started a movement to reconvert those people to Hinduism who had changed their religion out of force or choice and were willing to return to their original faith. In the year 1902 CE, Kangdi Gurukul was established near Haridwar. Arya Kanya Mahavidyalaya was started in Vadodara, Gujarat, where the education focused on inculcating discipline, dignity of labor, tolerance, patience, and moral values. Number 3, which work were done for the upliftment of the society by Ramakrishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata in the year 1897 CE in the name of his Guru. It has its headquarters at Belur. This mission adopted the ideas of service to mankind through various works. The mission followed the slogan Service to man is service to God by gaining motivation from the life of Ramakrishna Paramahansa. This mission opened schools across the nation for imparting education. Hospitals were run by the mission to help the people in need. Even today, the branches of missions are functional in India and abroad. Question number 4. How did Thakkar Bapa and his followers contribute to the social reforms in Gujarat? Thakkar Bapa's contribution as the head of the Akhil Hindu Harijan Sangh established by Gandhiji was very valuable in the upliftment of the untouchables, means Harijans. He worked tirelessly to provide relief to people affected by natural calamities. Thakkar Bapa established the Panchamahal Bhil Seva Mandal and tried to reform the lives of the Bhils who inhabited the deep forest and the hilly areas of the Panchamahal region. Thakkar Baba and his followers freed the Bhils from the addiction of alcohol, other evil customs and superstitions. He opened school for the Bhil children. He taught them how to operate a spinning wheel to produce khadi and involved them in small cottage industries. Question number 8. Write a short note on the following characters. Swami Vivekananda. A Bengali graduate named Narendranath Datta, 1863 to 1902 CE. He studied many Indian and Western philosophical books but could not find comfort in any of them. When he came to contact with Ramakrishna Paramahansa, he understood the meaning of life. He got each and every answers regarding the life and become ascetic, means sannyasi. and known as Swami Vivekananda. He advised people to serve the poor and look for God in needy people. He attended the Parliament of Religion in Chicago, US in the year of 1893 CE. He propagated the Indian culture by touring various countries like the United States, Europe, Egypt, China, Japan, etc. He gave the legendary slogan to the Indians: Arise, awake, and stop not, still the goal is achieved. Swami Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata in the year of 1897 CE in his name of his Guru. Number 2, Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule was a well-known social reformer of the Maharashtra. He started a school for girls in Pune in 1857 CE. He helped the widows to remarry. He challenged the authority of the Brahmins in the society. He established the Satya Sadhuk Samaj in order to inculcate confidence, courage, and enthusiasm in people. Thakkar Bapa, number 3. Amritlal Thakkar, popularly known as Thakkar Bapa, was born in 1869 CE in the city of Bhavnagar. He remained a dutiful and devoted servant of the people throughout his life. He was an engineer who left his job to serve the downtrodden and marginalized people after being inspired by Gandhiji. He established the Panchamal Veal Seva Mandal and tried to reform their lives from the addiction of alcohol, evil customs, and superstitions. He opened school for the wheel children and taught them how to operate a spinning wheel to produce khadi. Here the your first chapter is completed workbook. I hope you will write regularly and send me as soon as possible. Okay, see you in class.